continue our poem Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. In previous video, we have explained the first almost 8 lines of the poem. This poem is introspective. The poet Pablo Neruda wants the reader to make their introspection that what they are doing, where are they going, and what is the real ambition of their life. It means all human activities is the cause of natural disaster, environmental degradation. We are responsible to make our earth hell. Let's continue the further lines of the poem, student. We would be all together in a sudden strangeness. When the poet says that, he will count to 12 and then we will have to be still, without any motion, without any movement. That time we would be all together. The all people, the whole in the world, we will be all together. It means without doing any activity, we will do the same thing at the same time. Here, as we have already told before, alliteration in the word W and W is repeated here again. In a sudden strangeness, sudden S and S, it's also the symbol of alliteration here. Sudden strangeness, a uniqueness, strangeness, that is something strange, that is something different. Why? Because this is the first time. If we will do the same as the poet is mentioning here, it will be the first time in the history of the world that all the people will do the same activities togetherly. That is why it will be a very special moment. Fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whale. If we will stop for some moment, then we will stop to make harm to our nature. At the same period of time, the fishermen who just catch fish from the ocean, they will stop catching the fishes from there, and fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales. Not harm whales, they will not catch any fish from the ocean. And the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hand. Hurt hand, again, these all like H, sudden strangeness, S and S, WW, we would, all in the form of, that is alliteration, is a device where single letter is repeated at the same time in a line. That's called the alliteration is here, students. And then the man gathering salt would look at his hurt hand. It means when during the procedure of salt making, the people who involved in this, they just hurt their hand. If they will stop for some moment, they will have sufficient time to just look after their hands and make them properly against using ointment and other things, so that they could work properly. After this short break, they will again do the same thing, but at that period of time, the nature as well as human being have sufficient time to make a rest and to make and to complete all the type of disasters that already they have done. Those who prepare green war. What is the meaning of green war? That war against nature. War against nature. We are making so many type of atomic weapon, disastrous weapons, so many types of technology in the present time that is really harming our environment and the creatures existing in our earth. But those who prepare green war, the human being who prepare green war, war against nature, war against environment by using so many the nuclear weapons, the harmful weapons, and war with gas, war with fire. Gas and fire, all the type of nuclear disastrous weapons using in the war field. Victory with no survivor. Here is irony, students. Why it's called irony? Because victory with no survivor. If no one would survive on the earth, how we will prove our victory? It's impossible. How could you prove yourself that we are win? Why? Because if there would be no life existence on the earth, then there is no significance of our victory. That is why poet is just warning us again and again, stop and think for some time, think for some moment, what are we doing? What is the effect of human activities over the earth? Please stop for some time and just introspective, get your introspection that what is our real intention and motive towards the earth, and how we are making so many disastrous effect to the earth also. So here student, I am repeating the devices: we would, sudden strangeness and hurt hand. Alliteration is here, and here is irony, the victory with no survivor. If there would be no survivor on the earth, the victory means no significance. In next video we will continue the further line of the poem. Till then you have to revise these. Thank you. Goodbye.